BLARB time.
Okay, who's ready for a BLARB? BLARB. And then say
BLARB.
because it's fun saying BLARB. Okay, there are 3 ways to use essential oils. One of the ways that you can use essential oils is aromatically. So that makes sense, right? Because we talked about how essential oils are basically aromatic compounds contained within different parts of a plant. So in order to be an aromatic compound, you have to be a really, really small molecule. Well, what does that mean for us? For us, that means that one of the ways that we can get essential oils into our system is aromatically, or through the use of aromatherapy. Dun, dun, dun. And basically that just means that we're smelling it. Smell it. Show. Straight from the bottle. So the cool part about aromatic use of essential oils is that since those molecules are so small, they can go directly from the air into your nasal passage and then into a part of the brain called the olfactory system. And that olfactory system connects directly to our emotional system. So if you are wanting an essential oil to deal with calming down or deal with boosting your mood, that's going to be a really great way to use your essential oils, because there really is, when you're talking about aromatically, there's no barrier between those smells or those aromas and your brain. So it will directly and immediately affect your brain. The other awesome part about aromatic use of essential oils is that not only does it go into your nasal passage, affect your amygdala, which is basically your emotional system of your brain, but it also, once it goes into your nasal passage, some of those molecules are also going to continue on to the lungs, the tissues of the lungs. And once in the tissues of the lungs, they're going to quickly and directly pass into the circulatory system through all of the circulation, the blood circulation that's going on in your lungs. So we also talked about how oils hit every single cell of the body. So you're going to hit the brain directly, and you're also going to get it into your circulatory system just by smelling it. And did you know that with your sense of smell, it is your only sense where your brain does not actually interpret, it doesn't take the time to interpret what you're taking in before it starts acting. So that means when you're tasting something, when you're touching something, your brain actually takes those extra couple of steps to interpret the stimuli that's coming into your body. When you smell, those aromas are going to affect your mood immediately, simply because that is the one sense that you have where your body is not taking the time to interpret that stimuli that's coming in. So there's one of your ways to use essential oils, especially for those of you in our TerraFit challenge. Anything that's available or that we can use during the day is going to be great to smell, because that's going to get in your system and it's going to help boost your mood. Thanks, guys. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll BLARB.
See you next time on BLARB.